Yeah. Yo. Yo, look at this.
Oh my god, this is TV.
This is so old. Oh my god. Yo, what's in the actual house? Have you been up here yet? Dude, look, there's all... Sure.
If you want.
Can you hold it?
A room next to it, is it?
Yo, come up. It's got like sound pattern or something. Oh my god. Yo, what? No way. This is mad, dude.
Oh,
I know, dude.
it's got the settle.
I don't know, yeah, what is this? God damn. Wait, are there samples in here? Yo, there are samples in
Wood
here.
dye, bro.
Oh my god, dude. Yo, I wanna see this game.
Oh, there's an envelope. There's an envelope.
An envelope. Yo, this is like an actual game. Bro. Nah, it's not. Alright, cool. What? Alright, thank you. Alright, I'll let you out. Alright, that was sick, dude. Yo, bro, I made it in the first part. You know what that means?
Oh, shit.
Oh, dang. Yes, it might be oil. Yo, look back here. Yo, this is actually nice, dude. They had like a whole garden. Did the door open?
This looks like a murder.
What the hell?
One chair, dude.
Why is there a toilet as well? Is it? That's another reason there's no one. Definitely abandoned because there's no power or anything. The curtains are always drawn. I know. Just say some random guy just threw some at you. What have we? Is this open?
Might put my jumper on.
Yo. Yo, I'll stay. We just saw. Yeah.
Whatever like that, you're going to be detained for the purpose of research.
What?
Detained for the purpose of research.
We haven't done it though.
What are you doing wearing head torches and stuff?
We haven't.
Camera on or off? 6-5, I've got 2 now for detention.
Yo, sorry.
Sit down at that ghost door.
Yeah, it's fine.
I'm just going to check. You doing like urban exploring up there?
Yeah, that's
I'm
what.
so sorry, man.
Yeah, sorry, bro. We haven't like broken anything or like touched anything.
We left everything out once.
Yeah.
Good temper, sorry. Thing is though, I get what I believe what you're saying.
Yeah.
And I see it all on these videos and stuff on YouTube and Instagram and
Yeah. One of our friends just like recommended it, like to have a look around. I was like, oh yeah, sure.
Have you been caught doing this before? No.
No.
The first time you started doing it?
Yeah. Yeah, my bad. Oh, wait, that's
So you're detained under section 1 and there's 3 things of evidence act for the purpose of the search. The reason being is obviously that we've had a call sent for suspected burglary.
Oh,
Check and see whether or
alright.
not you've got anything on you that's that could be involved in breaking in or
No.
causing damage. I'm Peter Thompson, I'm Forte Quarters. This is my colleague Peter.
Yeah.
Retained for the purpose of that search, and afterwards retired for a copy of the search record. If that is all it is, well, I suppose then what we'll do is, as long as you've got nothing on you that you shouldn't have, more likely it'll be a quick search, and I'll let you go, obviously escort you off. Probably leave it at that. Kirkham.
Just near Matlock. Yeah.
It's also where the railway station is where the album comes for Definitely Maybe.
No. Yeah, real.
Or should I stay here?
I know what you're doing.
Alright.
Obviously we have to go off what we've been told. We get told the house getting broken into.
Yeah, that's fine.
But then when I see you with your big cameras, I think,
Yeah,
I know what you're doing, but you've got to remember that to other people,
Hello?
they don't know what you're doing. Do you know what I mean?
So was like exploring me